Okay, guys, enough on that. I want to play something.
Sure, Rick. What can we play?
I have an idea. We can play a game where one of us closes one's eyes, touches the thing, and guesses what it is.
That seems to be a great idea. Let's do that.
I like to guess. In fact, I love it. Can I be the guesser?
Sure, Rungoo, but I don't want you to just close your eyes. I'll put a blindfold around your eyes.
Sure, not a problem. But what are the things I need to guess?
Well, that will be a secret. Wait here for some time and get ready with your eyes blindfolded. I'll go and get the things for you to guess.
Sure, Rick. I'll be ready.
I'm back. You stay where you are, and I'll lead you to each thing for you to guess by touching them.
Okay.
Here, Rungoo. Go ahead and feel it.
What is it? Is it a rug?
Ha ha ha, Rungoo, it's not a rug.
Is it a quilt?
It's not a quilt either.
What is it then? I give up.
Rungoo, it's Byra, your friend.
Oh, I couldn't guess it at all.
That's fine. Let's go to the next thing.
This is a ball. I can feel it.
Yes, you are right. But what ball is it?
Is it a basketball?
No, it's not. Try again.
Okay, it is a volleyball.
You're right, Rungoo. Let's go to the next thing. Rungoo, feel this one.
Ah, so soft. Is it a pillow?
No, it's not a pillow.
It's so soft, just like a pillow. Is it a sweater?
No, it's not a sweater either. Guess again.
I give up. I don't know what it is.
It's a bunny. Okay, that's fine. Let's move on to the next one.
This is easy. It's one of my toys.
Yes, it is. But you have to tell which toy it is.
Let me feel it more. It's my train.
Good job, Rungoo. You got it right. Let's move on to the next one.
It's a little rough. Is it a broom?
No, Rungoo. It's not a broom.
Okay, let me feel it more. This looks like an animal. What is it? Is it a cow?
No, it's not a cow.
I don't know what it is then. Tell me.
It's a pony. You should have guessed one more time. Okay, that's all for now, Rungoo. You got 2 out of 5 right. Good job.
Can we now find what is living and what is not?
Sure. Let's start from what you felt now. Is Byra a living thing?
Before you answer that, I'll ask the 3 questions.
Go ahead. Ask them in order.
Does he feed?
Yes, he does.
Does he breathe?
Yes, he does.
Does he grow?
Yes, he does.
So he's a living thing. The next one was a volleyball. Does it feed?
No, it doesn't.
Does it breathe?
No, it doesn't.
Does it grow?
No, it doesn't.
So it's not a living thing. The next one was a bunny. Does he feed?
Yes, he does.
Does he breathe?
Yes.
Does he grow?
Yes, he does.
So he's a living thing. The next one was a toy train. Does it feed?
No, it doesn't.
Does it breathe?
No, it doesn't.
Does it grow?
No, it doesn't.
So it's not a living thing. The next one was a pony. Does he feed?
Yes, he does.
Does he breathe?
Yes.
Does he grow?
Yes, he does.
So he's a living thing.
Okay,